Welcome to this new video. It's on polysaccharides. Today I'll be talking about homopolysaccharides. It's also called as homoglycans. Uh, Polysaccharides are more complex compounds. Some of the polymers of single monosaccharides are termed as homopolysaccharides or homoglycans. And example for homopolysaccharide is starch, glycogen, etc. If different sugar groups are attached, then it is called as heteropolysaccharides. Example for heteropolysaccharide is mucopolysaccharides or glycosaminoglycans, which we'll be seeing in the next part of the video. So in today's part we will be seeing just what are homopolysaccharides. So this homopolysaccharide includes starch, glycogen, cellulose. Some of the features of this homopolysaccharide is for starch it is made up of glucose unit. Mainly it has amylose and amylopectin. Amylose means alpha 1,4 linkage. Amylopectin contains alpha 1,4 and alpha 1,6 linkage. It is present mainly in the cereals, grains, potatoes, sugars, sugar beets, fruits, etc. The main importance of starch is it acts as a major dietary component and chief source of energy in diet. Glycogen, it is also made up of alpha glucose units. It's highly branched one with alpha 1,4 and alpha 1,6 glycosidic linkage. It is synthesized in liver and muscles. Importance is stored glycogen will be acting as fuel reserve in animals. Cellulose, it contains alpha D glucose units made up of beta 1,4 glycosidic linkage. It is commonly present in cell walls of plants, wood, cotton, green leafy vegetables. It contributes to major roughage and acts as dietary fibers. Chitin, it's a polymer of N-acetyl glucosamine linked by beta 1,4 glycosidic linkages. It is present in the exoskeleton of invertebrates such as crustaceans, insects, spiders, and also in mushrooms. It acts as an integral component of cell walls of most of the fungi and algae. Dextrins consist of alpha D glucose residues linked by alpha 1,4 and 1,6 glycosidic bond. It is formed by the partial hydrolytic breakdown of starch. That is, limit dextrins are formed first product as the degradation reaches branch points. It is used as an adhesive and binder. Dextrin solutions are used as mucilages present on the back of postage stamps and envelopes. Inulin, it is a fructosen consisting of D-fructose units. Occurs mainly in the tubers and roots of dahlias and dandelions, bulbs of onion and garlic. Used in the determination of glomerular filtration rate and to measure the body water volume. Dextrans, it is linked with glucose units the linkage alpha 1,4, alpha 1,6 and alpha 1,3 glycosidic linkage, which are interconnected in such a way so as to form a network. It is synthesized by the microbes in sucrose medium. Given intravenously, it increases the plasma volume. It acts as a plasma expander in the case of blood loss. Chitosan, it is composed of beta 1,4 linked glucosamine, mainly N-acetyl glucosamine. It's present in the hard outer skeleton of shellfish, crabs, lobster and shrimps. Importance, it is used in medicine. Chitosan is used in the case of obesity, high cholesterol, high blood pressure and to control Crohn's disease. Pullulan, it's a polymer consists of maltotriose unit with a linkage alpha 1,4 and 1,6. Occurrence, it is extracellular polysaccharide produced by the fungus Eriobasidium pullulans. Importance is it is used in food and pharmaceutical industries. This is a structure of starch and glycogen shares the same structure. Starch contains either amylose or amylopectin, whereas glycogen is a highly branched one with alpha 1,4 and 1,6 linkage. Starch, it is a polymer of glucose and occurs in many plants as storage food. It is found in the leaves and stem as well as in the roots, fruits, seeds, etc. The granule appears under microscope as a particles made up of concentric layers of material. Starchy foods are the main source in the diet. Wheat, rice, corn, barley, potatoes. It is rich. Starch is rich in wheat, rice, corn, barley, and in potatoes, legumes, and in nuts. A starch granule consists of two units of glucose, mainly amylose and amylopectin. On hydrolysis of starch will yield gradual diminishing molecular size of products like starch will be converted into amylodextrin. Further, it will be reduced into erythrodextrin, acrodextrin. Finally, it will be converted into maltose. Acid hydrolysis of starch will produce glucose. Structure of glycogen. It is a highly branched homopolysaccharide containing alpha D glucose. It is mainly synthesized in the liver and muscles, acts as animal storage polysaccharide. Similar to amylopectin, glycogen is also a branched glycan containing several branched chains of alpha D glucose. It is dextrorotatory and gives red color with iodine. The biomedical importance of glycogen is during glycogenesis in liver and muscles, glycogen can be synthesized and can be stored as fuel reserve in the case of animals. And the hepatic glycogen serves as a constant source of blood glucose, which is utilized by the whole body between meals and during early stage of starvation. During glycogenolysis, hepatic glycogen is hydrolyzed to alpha glucose, which enters the blood circulation and is taken up by various body tissues and acts as a fuel reserve for muscles. Muscles contain about 1% of glycogen. Adult human body contains about 325 grams of glycogen and 75 gram is present in liver, 250 gram is present in the muscles. In glycogen storage disorders, inherited defect in the enzymes of glycogen metabolism result in accumulation of either abnormal type of glycogen or normal glycogen in different body organs such as liver, spleen, kidney, etc., causing hypoglycemia, muscle weakness, or even death. This is diagrammatic representation of starch and glycogen. Structure of cellulose. Cellulose, it is an unbranched homopolysaccharide composed of glucose units linked by beta-1,4 glycosidic linkage. It is the most abundant plant structural polysaccharide. Cellulose is the major component of cell wall of all the plants. Woods contain 40 to 50% of cellulose, and cotton is almost pure cellulose. 97 to 99% purest form of cellulose is cotton. Cellulose known as tunicin is present in certain marine animals. Cellulose is insoluble both in cold and hot water. Cellobiose, a reducing disaccharide, is formed as an intermediate product during hydrolysis of cellulose. Biomedical significance of cellulose includes cellulose cannot be hydrolyzed by dilute acids. It is digested by the enzyme cellulase, which can hydrolyze beta-1,4 linkage, but due to the lack of the enzyme cellulase, cellulose cannot be digested in humans. Therefore, it acts as a dietary fiber. There is no dietary importance for calories. It contributes to major portion of roughage, dietary fiber, in the vegetarian diet. Green leafy vegetables are important source of cellulose in diet. Roughage stimulates peristalsis and elimination of stool. Most of the mammals cannot digest cellulose. However, ruminants like sheep, goats, horse, cow, etc. can digest cellulose with the help of the enzyme cellulase, which is produced in bacteria present in the extra compartment of GI tract known as rumen. Actually, these bacteria secrete the enzyme cellulase, which can digest cellulose. Termites and wood rot fungi can also easily digest cellulose. Structure of chitin. It is made up of N-acetyl glucosamine linked with beta-1,4 glycosidic linkages. It is an unbranched homopolysaccharide composed of N-acetyl glucosamine linked together with beta-1,4 glycosidic bonds. Chitin is most abundant animal structural polysaccharide. It is the major component of exoskeleton. Nearly a million species of arthropods have this chitin. Chitin is also found in mushrooms. It is insoluble in both cold and hot water. It cannot be digested by animals. Inulin. It is an unbranched homopolysaccharide composed of D-fructose units. It is found in the tubers of dahlia, bulbs of onion and garlic. Inulin is also known as dahlia starch. It has a lower molecular weight of 5 kilodalton and can yield about 30 fructose units on hydrolysis. It is slightly soluble in cold water but readily soluble in hot water. Inulin is levorotatory. Biomedical importance is it does not give any characteristic color with iodine. In renal function test, inulin is given to determine the glomerular filtration rate. It is a source for commercial production of fructose. In plants, the enzyme inulinase can hydrolyze inulin. Inulinase is absent in humans since inulin cannot be digested in the gastrointestinal tract in humans. It has no dietary importance. These are some of the references used. Stay tuned to watch part 2 heteropolysaccharides. Thank you for watching this video.